Press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from Bollywood Gund. Warning! This video is full of spoilers. Shivai, the movie you watch and say, "She, why did you make it?"
What kind of shit is that?
Shivai is 1/4 Mountain Dew ad, 1/4 Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and half Taken.
Good luck.
And what's up with Ajay Devgan and names? First he removes the A from his name. Now he's added a F in his production house name. How does Ajay Devgan come up with names?
Ajay Devgan plays Shivai, a stoner living in the mountains.
Basically every teenager's dream job.
Bro, मैं dude के dude.
Shivai is no ordinary mountaineer. He actually flies upward from the back of a falling police van in vertical free fall. Isaac Newton heard this, became alive, and then shot himself in the head. Shivai meets a hot chick from Bulgaria who doesn't freeze to death despite wearing short shorts.
Meanwhile, Shivai is also walking around shirtless, and on display are his amazing tattoos.
मेरा वॉचमैन 20 डिग्री में बर्फ बन जाता है. तुम लोग को ठंडी नहीं लगती क्या? The choice of Bulgaria is hilarious because no Ajay Devgan fan can point to Bulgaria on a map. The two fall in love and have gravity-defying sex. Joining me is former HuffPost India entertainment editor Supratik Chatterjee.
There is an amazing scene when they fall in love up on the mountains and there's an avalanche. They get caught in a tent. They are hanging on like by one thread for dear life. And in that tent, thousands of feet off the air, in terrain which is going to kill them, they say, let's get it on. Let's do it now.
Props to this chick for kissing Ajay Devgan, even though his mouth stinks from Vimal Pan Masala.
The Bulgarian hot chick gets pregnant and wants an abortion.
Ajay says, "No, I've always wanted a white baby."
So she sticks around for 9 months and leaves for Bulgaria, but not before delivering a mute daughter. A few years later, Shah Rukh Khan from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai pops in and hands her some letters from her mommy. The daughter forces her dad to take her to Bulgaria, and as soon as they land, something interesting happens.
Every Bulgarian is a drug trafficker, human trafficker, complete pussy, complete asshole, or incompetent.
Can you imagine a Bulgarian movie making fun of Indians? Subramaniam Swamy's head would burst. Shivai disses the men and women drinking beer and flirting openly in the public, even though that's exactly how he met his baby's mom. Barely 2 hours into his trip, Shivai has already caught the first child trafficker.
A few hours later, his own daughter gets kidnapped by child traffickers. How predictable.
From then on, the movie spirals into illogical fight scenes that go on forever and ever. And you're sitting in the movie theater wondering, is it night or day outside? There's a scene where Shivai gets arrested by the police and is framed for the kidnapping of his own daughter. Shivai could have easily said, "Hey, check out the CCTV footage from the Indian consulate just yesterday."
No, what does he do? He fucking beats the shit out of all the police officers. All of them. Just beats the shit out of them.
Lots of action, but it's really boring. Kinda like the Olympics.
Shivai is one of those movies that defies logic as to why people who were part of making it, when they saw preview screenings, why they let this go out into the world. Even if you say critics and other people out there are too intellectual, the Janta wants this. No man, the Janta doesn't want this either. This was fucking boring. Even if you turn your fucking brain off, it is boring as hell. Every scene is too long. Even the fight scenes get boring and repetitive because there's the same thing over and over again. There's one scene where 2 guys are beating the shit out of him. He's already been shot. His throat has already been slit. And yet, he doesn't go down. And then he punches them twice and they go down. Ludicrous. And it is just like fucking ripped off. Yeah, it's a Taken rip-off.
I guess in the end, Shivai is a story about a guy who defies death at all odds
And then dies when he eats Vimal Pan Masala. Next week on This Movie Sucks, Dil Hai Mushkil. God help me.